Massachusetts, northeastern Newport County in Rhode Island, east central Providence County in Rhode Island, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Attleboro. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Fall River, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Dartmouth, Cumberland, North Attleboro, Lincoln, Central Falls, Somerset, Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, Seekonk, Rehoboth, Lakeville, Freetown, Dighton, and Berkeley.
Hey, that's me. Well, it's my county anyway. Oh, look, even you went too. So, it was a threefer. Alright. Well, while I'm still here, I might catch more.